welcome to Real Talk. So, I didn't tell you in the first video. I think you should like, I think you should subscribe, and press on the bell for notifications so I can let you know every time I put a video up. Suscriban, háganle clic a la campanita para que tengan notificaciones nuevas de los videos que voy a estar sacando. Now, as I was saying before in the first video, this is a race thing. Now there's a lot of YouTubers, tons of YouTubers that are in Venezuela, okay? And they are all Euro-Venezuelans. They're all the ones showing that there's no food, that there's this and this. I'm going to show you guys this video. Okay, and after I show you this video, all these kids that I'm going to be showing here, it's only a few of them. I'll keep showing more of you guys. Okay? I want you to ask your father and your mother what they were doing when this was happening.
Since the mid-80s, Venezuela was going through a serious economic crisis, accentuated by the neoliberal policies implemented by the government of Perez and ordered by the International Monetary Fund. People did not stand the situation for long. On 27 and 28th of February 1989, there were serious riots in Caracas and the main cities of Venezuela. The violence left a toll of more than 300 people dead due to the harsh repression perpetrated by the security forces. This event was baptized with the name of Caracazo and became one of the triggers for the rebellion that Hugo Chavez and others would start 3 years later.
So, there it is. So here's the question for you sons and daughters of colonizers, you Euro-Venezuelans. Go ask your parents what the hell they were doing. Actually, no need. I'll tell you exactly what they were doing. They sat at home watching TV, okay? Watching the real pueblo venezolano die on the streets of Caracas that day, and them hoping that they would kill as many as possible. That way the cerros wouldn't be so populated. That's what your parents were doing. And now they're sending you out here to film all this propaganda. It's quite truly disgusting. But it's okay. I understand the mentality of the colonizer. With that, I think I'll end this video. Don't watch these people. Do not watch these people. They have no idea what's going on. 3 years after Caracazo, that's when Chavez decided to try to take over, which unfortunately did not work. And I will leave you with that video, because if you want to see what a true leader of a nation should act like and talk like, this is it, especially after the takeover failed. When in the history of the world have you seen a president or any political person on national television take the blame, take responsibility for the actions that were taken?
Compañeros, lamentablemente por ahora los objetivos que nos planteamos no fueron logrados en la ciudad capital. Nosotros acá en Caracas no logramos controlar el poder. Ustedes lo hicieron muy bien por allá, pero ya es tiempo de evitar más derramamiento de sangre, ya es tiempo de reflexionar y vendrán nuevas situaciones y el país tiene que enrumbarse definitivamente hacia un destino mejor. Y yo, ante el país y ante ustedes, asumo la responsabilidad de este movimiento militar bolivariano.
El batallón y el guerrero sin camisa, el pueblo que combatió, vio frustrada su esperanza de cambiar la situación. Y la miseria, compadre, igualita se quedó, la tierra quedó en las manos del que nunca la sudó.
Y para esos euros venezolanos, dejen la paja, vale, dejen la paja. Dejen de estar mintiendo. Quédense en sus vecindarios, comiendo bien como siempre lo hacen, como siempre lo han hecho. Ustedes nunca se han preocupado por el pueblo, nunca se han preocupado por el cierre y los barrios. A ustedes nada más les importa esa vaina cuando es necesario, cuando necesitan pasar leyes. Del resto, tierrúos, regrésense. Esa vaina va a cambiar y va a seguir cambiando. Se les acabó la cuerda. Libres siempre. Traidores nunca. Hasta la victoria siempre.